Unraveling, Weekend, Enhancing Your English Vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss that will surely enhance your English language skills. We are going to delve into the word, weekend, its meanings, uses, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in various contexts. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Weakened is the past tense of the verb weaken, which means to make something less strong or powerful, or to become less strong or powerful. This can refer to physical strength, power, influence, or even the intensity of a feeling or quality. For example, the storm weakened as it moved inland. His argument was weakened by a lack of evidence. In these sentences, weakened describes a reduction in strength or intensity. Physical strength. After the long hike, her legs had weakened, and she needed to rest. Influence or power. The scandal weakened the politician's chances of being re-elected. Intensity of feelings or quality. His resolve weakened after hours of persuasion. General health. She was weakened by the flu and had to stay in bed. Structures or materials. The constant rain had weakened the foundation of the house. Mistake 1. Confusing weakened with weekend. Weakened refers to a decrease in strength or power, while weekend refers to the days Saturday and Sunday. Example of a mistake. I was so weakened after the long weekend. This might imply that the weekend made the person less strong, which is probably not the intended meaning. Tip 1. Practice with sentences. To avoid confusion and enhance your understanding, try to create sentences using weekend in different contexts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use the word weekend in various contexts. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice and consistency. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope this video has helped enhance your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!